Direct replacement. This license plate bracket matches the fit and function of the factory part on specified years, makes and models. Ideal solution. This bracket is a reliable replacement for an original part that has failed due to fatigue. Durable construction. This part is made from quality materials to ensure reliable performance and long service life. Trustworthy quality, backed by team of product experts in the United States and more than a century of automotive experience. Ensure fit. To make sure this part fits your exact vehicle, input your make, model and trim level into the garage tool. This license plate bracket is designed to match the fit and function of the original part on specified vehicles. Made of quality materials, it is engineered for reliable performance. This part is compatible with the following vehicles. Before purchasing, enter your vehicle trim in the garage tool to confirm fitment. Top reviews from the United States. Fit perfectly. It was exactly like the one that was broken. A car backed into me in the parking lot. Heard a crunch. You would never know it happened.